everyone, it's Gigi, and welcome to my Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode number 3, and I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So let me show you what I used for my first card, and then I'll show you my card. So I used these enamel candy dots from Bo Bunny. I used this blanket stitch layers die from Waffle Flower. I used this vintage Valentine paper pad from the Paper Studio. So pretty. I love it. Which I think you can still get right now, and it's 40% off. And I got this Whimsy Stamps Gingerbread Love. And used those guys. And here's what I made. And I used my Copic colors. And I kind of made a Valentine card with Gingies. And on the inside, I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to stamp Sweetest Wishes. And I'm mailing this to somebody. So that was my first card. And my second one, I used a button from these Favorite Findings Sewing, Crafting and Creating, and I got these at Hobby Lobby, the browns. I used my Distress Ink Vintage Photo. I used my Gold Glitter Dust. I used my Diamond Stickles. I used some of this lace with this hearts on it, and I got this from Amazon. And I showed this before. You get like a pack of 10 for $9, I believe. But really pretty. And then I used my diagonal stitch rectangles from Pink Fresh Studio. I used this Jubilee paper pad from Authentique. It has all these beautiful spring papers. And then I used this Magnolia Tilda Easter stamp, sorry. And she's holding her dress with some Easter eggs in it. And then I used my Copics to color. And I also used, let me get this out, I forgot to pull it. This Artiste yarn in the Ivory Gold. And here's what I made. And here's the inside. I haven't done a sentiment yet, but that's how she turned out. Oh, and I used my chalks for the cheeks. Let me show you what I used, in case some of you are interested. I used my Pebbles Classic chalks, and I used the pink for her cheeks. So those are the 2 cards I made for this week. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys. Bye-bye.